Hey guys, so I have finally started getting back into the swing of things with YouTube, and I hope you guys have been enjoying the string of videos that I've been posting. So today I am just going to show you guys how to make task cards. I originally saw this from, I think her name is Maddie Plans on Instagram, but anybody can do it, and I think it's a really amazing idea. You can purchase some task cards from her, but it is very, very simple just to make the task cards on your own. If you want to buy them from her, I think she has openings every Saturday at about 10 o'clock. And so here I'm just getting my label maker ready. This is the Brother P-Touch label maker, I think it's called. And those post-it notes I bought off of Amazon, and they're a part of the pattern collection. I think they were about $5 or $6. You can buy some other cuter ones from Etsy, and those ones are called Coco Fusen, COCO space FUSEN. But those are kind of expensive, and I thought they might take a while to get to me, so I just used these ones from Post-it. And here I just printed off a grocery shop. So the first set that I'm going to make, I'm going to put them on some blue page flags. And what you do is you just rip the page flags off. But because the label maker kind of adds an extra edge to it, I have to cut around it a little bit. And since I got thicker label like paper, I have to cut the top and bottom off as well. So I have this like little dashboard that brings me to my weekly spread, so I just decided to put them on there because it's very thick plastic and I thought it just worked well for it. But you can just use a piece of laminate that you've put through the laminator and punched to fit in your planner, or like Maddie Plans uses, you can purchase like little gift card, what are they called? It's like what people use to make gift cards, and they can send you like blank ones. You could probably find them on Amazon, but I've never really searched for them. So on this first task card, I actually put it backwards, I believe. You kind of want the sticky part to be to the left, not to the right, and I think that one I put it to the right. And so I'm just showing you up close what that looks like. And so here is the grocery shop, and then I'm going to just add in a couple more flags, and for some reason these post-its were all stuck together, but it wasn't really a big deal. I just put them all down separately. So here I'm going to zoom in and show you guys how I put them on the page flags. Essentially, it's really not that difficult. I just wanted to make a video to show you guys how simple it was and how all you need is a label maker, or even like you could do this with some clear sticker paper, or I know Carpe Diem sells those labels on clear sticker paper, and you could just buy those if any of those apply to you. I don't own any because I did purchase the label maker. And I believe the label maker is around $20 or $30, so it's really not that bad. And you can buy the actual labels off of Amazon for really cheap. The only issue that I've found with those is that for some reason, anytime I use the label maker, I actually have to click "Is the feed okay?" and press OK. I'm guessing it like gets stuck as it's unwinding a little bit, or like the label maker just recognizes that it's not an original Brother label that I put in there. And so as you can see, these ones are just kind of like general household cleaning tasks, like fold laundry, wash clothes, wash sheets, grocery shop. And I do eventually end up adding a meal plan at the top because I forgot that. And then I do add other sections, like I use these red page flags, and I forget what those are for, but I'm going to go ahead and fast forward through the rest of this because it's just a repeat process of what I've been doing, but I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this little video and just getting to see how to make these task cards. And if you have a Happy Planner, it's perfect because you could just buy these dashboards for like a couple bucks. I think they're like $3 if you get them on sale, and you can just add in these task cards. But I hope you guys enjoy and that you'll come back next week for another video from me.